All right, guys, what's up? Happy Friday. It's December 27th. Hope you guys have had a nice Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. Hanukkah, maybe you're a pagan, you dance around a little tree in the forest, whatever it is. I hope you had fun. I've had a good holiday, a little bit of rest on Christmas Day, but other than that, been trading and working hard. Just put in 3 new Uprofit payout requests. 3,500, 2 grand, and 2 grand. So that's 7,500. I want to show you guys the 150K account that I've got here with my Uprofit 0. Let's go ahead and bring that up. I'm kind of on fire on this account, and it's pretty cool. I've been working on it for about 2 months. I've made, I want to say, close to 30 grand in profit on just this one account, because you can see my balance is currently sitting at 170 grand. That's, about $20,500 in profit. That'll get knocked down to 167 after they process this $3,500 payment. But I've already taken 2 $3,500 payments. So a lot of profit on this account. And you can see just absolutely killing it. 19 and 1 here with my winning trades, 95% on a pretty big sample size. You can see the profit here. Total profit, 28,395. There you go. And my biggest loss is 625. So that's a pretty good Sharpe ratio on this particular account. And you can see there's the payout I requested today. Those are the other 2 I've gotten. And you can see if I quickly take you to my 050K accounts. I'm not going to go into as much detail on these, but doing pretty well on these as well. 7 winning trades, 1 losing trades. Remember, you can't copy trade on Uprofit. So I don't copy trade any of these. These are all separate trade instances, which is cool. So you can see I requested my first payout for that account today. And then the other, let's see, 5435 should be here. This is the other 50K account. You can see, 15 and 6. So kind of dropping the ball on this account. Just kidding. Still doing pretty well. You can see there's the payout I put in the request today as well. So back to the 150K. I mean, pretty cool. 19 and 1 on this particular account. And what I'm doing is, I'm just picking my spots wisely. You can see, I'm kind of spreading my profit around 400, 300, 2,200, 2 grand, 4,700, 2,200. These are the types of numbers I'm putting up. And you can see there's a lot of days too where I don't trade, and I don't trade those days sometimes because I don't see any particularly good opportunities that I want to, take risk with on this account. And the way that I'm basically putting up these returns is, number one, I'm using my Owings market analysis, which is, it's phenomenal. It works so well, and it's so different than candlesticks. I don't know how, to all of you who trade with candlesticks and do it successfully, I commend you, because, candlesticks look like Japanese to me. Well, they are Japanese, I guess, right? But no, literally like the language, Chinese or Japanese. I can't understand candlesticks at all. But my stuff here, I've been around this type of charting for a long time, going back to Charlie Drummond. The famous Charlie Drummond, hugely successful trader. He developed Drummond geometry. I was one of his top students, and I was actually a Drummond geometry master analyst. And good people over there at Drummond geometry. Anyways, I've just taken what they had and over the years built on it piece by piece myself, modified the formulas, and in my opinion, I've made it a lot better because I'm using different information, different inputs than they're using. So basically what I'm doing is I'm using my Owings market analysis. I'm using the volume chart. So each one of these black bars here is just a regular bar chart. This is 50,000 contracts traded for each one of these. And then my lower time period is 10,000 contracts traded for each one of these. And I'm just looking for good setups, depending on where we're at in terms of the daily value area high or low. So you can see the value area high yesterday, right up in here. You see the value area low here. You can see the point of control that'll shift around. And then all these other lines and dots are just my own Owings market analysis type stuff, which one day we'll get more into that as I have more time to live stream and trade with you guys. But, it's obviously working real well. The proof is in the results. And I'm really excited about, continuing to put up big numbers into 2025. I will do a video when I put in my Tradeify payout request for $18,000 on Tuesday, New Year's Eve. I'm super excited about that. That'll be my first Tradeify payout ever. And I've heard they pay very fast. So that'll be cool. I'll keep you guys posted. What else? Yeah, I just come into each day. Market's moving a little now, so I'm going to have to cut this off and start trading. But I come into each day, with my game plan. So yesterday, my game plan was that we're going to see a choppy day, and we did. and then I structure my trading around that, premise. Of course, am I right every day? No. Some days I think it's going to be a choppy day and it turns out to be a trend day or whatever, but I adjust as I see, what the market is telling me. But I always have a plan coming into the day. I trade that plan and I live with my decisions. And doesn't mean that I'm always right, but I'm right often enough that, when it comes to trading being a game of probabilities, a numbers game, it all ends up working out very well. So it's super exciting. It's going very well. And, I'll start teaching you guys some of this stuff as we have more time to trade together and do some live streaming into 2025. Just right now, been super busy trading, for myself and working on, big payouts. And I got a 5-year-old little girl. My wife is pregnant. So just a lot on the table. Not so much time to sit around and live stream at this exact minute, but we'll do it at some point. All right, you guys take care. Good luck today. And I'll be back with another update when I have one. Cheers.